welcome back to our channel. We are here today to give you an update on our RV mattress video.
Yeah, recently we did a review of our new mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, and we've been on it for a little over a month now, and we're starting to get emails from people wanting to know how things are going. So we thought we would just come on and give you guys an update and answer everybody's questions all at once. So how are you liking it?
I absolutely love it. I told you before, I don't have any more back pain, and I'm not nearly as hot as I used to be. And I also, with that foam mattress, that I felt like I was like sinking into it, and it was hard for me to like roll over and stuff, and that's not happening anymore either.
Well, you apparently must be sleeping pretty good because you're not waking me up anymore either. So, so if you guys are thinking about a new mattress, I mean, even after a month, this thing is still as impressive to us as it was the first night we slept on it. So, you know, usually when you get something new, it's great at first, and then that novelty kind of wears off, but this hasn't. So this has definitely been a very, very good upgrade to our RV for sure. So if you guys are thinking about getting a new mattress for your RV, this was really easy to install. Basically just unbox it and let it expand, and you know, there wasn't any like foul odors or anything like that that you get with some other new products. So, and you know, if you're iffy about it, they give you a 120-day free sleep trial. So I mean, it's really risk-free, and
it's made right here in the United States. So
yeah, that was definitely a plus for us, the fact that it's made in the United States. And you know, out of all the upgrades that we've done to our RV, and we do a lot because our RV really is our passion, so we spend a lot of time on it, a lot of money on it. And this one was really probably one of the most valuable ones because we really get a good night's sleep. And if you're going out in your RV, you're going out for a reason, to rest and relax. And you're not going to get that on a cheap chintzy mattress.
Or a standard RV mattress that comes with your RV.
Right. And you know, in the RV industry, you don't get a quality mattress, and for good reason. They don't know what everybody's sleep preferences are. So they just put in...
Well, they can't accommodate everyone's needs.
Right.
There's got to be like, just like, you know, like a basic.
Yeah, they can't put custom mattresses in. So that's the nice thing about this company, is they make the mattresses in those odd sizes that RV mattresses come in. Just because it says it's a king or a queen doesn't mean it's going to match the measurements of your residential mattress. So they come in all those different odd sizes, so they have lots to choose from. So if you guys are looking for a new mattress for your RV that's going to fit your needs, head on over to rvmattress.com.
Don't forget to put in that /Jones in to get your 20% off.
Yep, we'll put that up on the screen. So if you guys are looking for a new mattress, get on over to their website, select one that's best for you, and start sleeping better.